Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you will be fine. It's me, Amna Maiman, your SST teacher. I welcome you all in second standard. So this is your SST book. It has lots of activities. Now first we will start with chapter number 1, which is myself. Now first of all, what you have to do is you have to paste a picture of yourself here. Okay, then you have to put numbers 1, 2, 3 up to 10. Okay, so number 1 is my full name is Sana. Number 2, my nickname is, now Sana's nickname is Pinky. You have to write your name and your nickname over here. Now, what is your nationality? My nationality is Pakistani. As we are resident of Pakistan, so our nationality is Pakistani. I was born in Desh city. Now you have to write your city here in which you were born. I was born in Nowshera Feroz. Now you have to write your city in which you were born. Number 4, my address is, now you have to write your address here. Now Sana's address is Peer Muhalla unit number 2, house number 6. You have to write your address here. Number 5, city, and which city you live. You have to write your city here. So here Sana lives in city Nowshera Feroz, and you have to write your province here, like we live in Sindh province. Number 6, country, in which country you live. We live in Pakistan, proud to be Pakistani. So you have to write here Pakistan. Telephone number, now you have to write your phone number here, like I have given you example, and you have to write your phone number here. Number 7, my date of birth is, you have to write your born date here. Sana's date of birth is 1st July 2010, and you have to write your date of birth here. Number 8, my favorite color is, you have to write your favorite color. So here Sana's favorite color is pink. Number 9, my best friend is, you have to write your best friend's name, like Sana's best friend is Sarah. His or her nickname is, now you have to write your best friend's nickname here, like Sarah's nickname is Saru. So students, we are done with chapter number 1, myself. Now your today's homework is you have to fill all these blanks. If you feel any difficulty, you can take help from your parents, or you may ask from your subject teacher on WhatsApp group, and make a short video of your introduction about myself. I hope you will enjoy learning SST. Take care. Bye bye. We'll meet in next class. Allah Hafiz.